Students, today we will discuss about unemployment. Students, what is unemployment? Students, generally searching for jobs is known as unemployment. But actually unemployment is a situation in which no job is available for a person to earn his or her livelihood. Students, we will see now classification of unemployment. One is voluntary unemployment, another one is involuntary unemployment. Voluntary unemployment. A person is out of a job because of his or her own desire to not to work on the prevalent or prescribed wages. Now we will see involuntary unemployment. A person is separated from remunerative work and devoid of wages, although he is capable of earning his wages and is also anxious to earn them. Classification of involuntary unemployment: frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, seasonal unemployment, cyclical unemployment, open unemployment. Students, now we will see clearly about these types. It is defined as the number of unemployed persons under the condition that the number of job vacancies equal the number of job seekers who somehow fail to get the job. Students, second type is structural unemployment. It arises due to structural change in a dynamic economy, making some worker go out of the job. Under structural unemployment, a person either goes out of the job or remains unemployed for a prolonged period of time till he acquires new skills. The third type is seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment occurs at a certain season of the year. Refers to a situation where a number of persons are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Okay, children, now fourth type of unemployment is cyclical unemployment. It is the result of a business not having enough demand for labor to employ all those who are looking for work. When business cycles are not their peak, cyclical unemployment will be low because total economic output is being maximized. When economic output falls, the business cycle is low and cyclic unemployment will rise. Unemployment is another type. When the laborers live without any work and they don't find any work to do, they come under the category of open unemployment. Consequences of unemployment. The widespread unemployment in urban as well as rural in India is a complex problem caused by many factors. For example, loss of human resources, increase in poverty. Unemployment deprives a man of all sources of income. As a result, he grows poor. Therefore, unemployment generates poverty. Third, social problems. Unemployment breeds many social problems and social security is jeopardized. Political instability. Unemployment gives birth to political instability in a country. Unemployed persons can easily be enticed by causes of unemployment. Students, the foregoing analysis of unemployment in India has made it evidently clear that most of the unemployment in this country is structural. Some of the main causes are mentioned here under. First one is jobless growth. During the first 3 decades of economic planning, the GDP growth rate was as low as 3.5% per annum. This shows that in recent period again we have witnessed a phenomenon of jobless growth. Second is increasing in labor force. Since independence, death rate has rapidly declined and the country has entered the second stage of demographic transition. Inappropriate technology. In India, while capital is a scarce factor, Labor is available in abundant quantity. Under these circumstances, also one of the cause of inappropriate technology, inappropriate educational system. The educational system in India is defective. It is in fact the same educational system which Macaulay had introduced in this country during the colonial period. Last, that is non neo liberal economic policy. With the introduction of neoliberal structural reforms in India since the early 1990s, income inequalities have increased. Effects of unemployment directly linked to poverty, loss of self esteem, mental stress, civil esteem. Government made some of the policies to reduce unemployment. One is Narega, Sampurna Gramina Rozgar Yojana. Narega means National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was introduced in 2005. Narega Act came on 2006 February 2nd onwards. About 4.39 crores households are benefited. Minimum wages under Narega 65 rupees in 2006, 85 rupees in 2008 and 115 rupees in 2011. 4 out of the 5 jobs created area in the area of unemployment areas. Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana launched on 25th September 2001 by merging the ongoing scheme of EAS Employment Assurance Scheme. The annual outlay for the program is rupees 10,000 crores, which includes 50 lakh tons on food grains. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarajgar Yojana launched as an integrated program for self-employment of the rural poor with effect from 1st April 1999. Next program is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Came into effect by merging the two schemes that were in operations till 31st March 2008, namely Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana and Rural Employment Generation Program. Consequences of unemployment. The widespread unemployment in urban as well as rural in India is a complex problem caused by many factors. For example, loss of human resources, increase in poverty, unemployment deprives a man of all sources of income. As a result, he grows poor. Therefore, unemployment generates poverty. Third, social problems. Unemployment breeds many social problems and social security is jeopardized. Political instability. Unemployment gives birth to political instability in a country. Unemployed persons can easily be enticed by antisocial elements. They lose all faith in democratic values and peaceful means. Next is exploitation of labor. In the state of unemployment, laborers are exploited to the maximum possible extent. All this tells upon the efficiency of laborers. Standard of living. In times of unemployment, the competition for jobs and the negotiation power of the individual decrease, and thus also the living standards of people with the salaries, packages, and income reduce. Employment gaps. To further complicate the situation, the longer the individual is out of job, the more difficult it becomes to find one. Loss of skills usage is another consequence. Students, hope you all are understood very well. Thank you, children.